So I am starting with unit 3 of your syllabus, which is inorganic hydrides. So in inorganic hydrides, we will start with boron hydride, boranes. So a number of boron hydrides are known, and they are called as boranes, and their name is in analogy with the name of alkanes, as we call compounds of carbon and hydrogen as alkanes. Similarly, we call them compounds of boron, boranes. Now, they are gaseous substances at ordinary temperature, although BH3 is unstable at room temperature. But higher hydrides of boron, they exist and they does exist at room temperature. And the gaseous the hydrides, mainly the hydrides of boron, they are divided into two series. One is BmHm plus 4 series, where M is the number of boron atoms, and another series is BmHm plus 6 series. So we can see that B2H6 diborane, B5H9 pentaborane, B6H10 hexaborane, B8H12 octaborane, B10H14 decaborane, and the numerals in bracket, they depict number of hydrogen atoms. Similarly, we have the next series of BmHm plus 6 boron atoms, B4H10 tetraborane, B5H11 is pentaborane, B6H12 hexaborane, octaborane, B8H14, B9H15 enneaborane, and B10H16 decaborane. Again, these numerals in the bracket, they represent the number of hydrogen atoms. Now, the boranes of BmHm plus 6 series, they are less stable. Obviously, they are larger in size, so they are less stable as compared to these boranes of BmHm plus 4 series. Now, we will study a simple and very common borane, which is diborane, B2H6. Its preparation, it's NaBH4. We will react it with iodine in the presence of diglyme. It will give us B2H6, sodium iodide, and hydrogen. Then we will just go through few reactions. Then second reaction, how these are the methods of preparation. Second is BCl3, and you will react it with hydrogen in the presence of electric discharge. It will give you B2H6 plus 6HCl. Then BCl3 with lithium aluminium hydride, it will give you B2H6 aluminium chloride plus lithium chloride. Then we have BF3 with sodium hydride. It will give you B2H6 plus sodium fluoride. Then what are the properties of borane? We will just go through them hurriedly. So, physical state, it is a gas. Diborane is a gas, and it has unpleasant smell. Now, it is stable only at low temperatures. If you heat it, it will get converted into higher boranes, B4H10, B5H9, B5H11, B6H10, B6H12, etc. Then it reacts with oxygen to form B2O3, boron trioxide. On hydrolysis, it will give you boric acid. Then it reacts with alkalis to form metaborate. Potassium metaborate plus hydrogen is formed here. Then next we have action with metals, how it reacts with metals. What is its reaction with metals? It reacts with metal like sodium to give you sodium borohydride and NaB3H8. Then it reacts with carbon monoxide to give you H3BCO. Then action with halogens. At low temperature, it will give boron trichloride. It reacts with bromine at again low temperature to give you B2H5Br, HBr, and BBr3. Then action with halogen acids. Again, one of the hydrogens that will be replaced by the halogen. B2H6 plus HX, B2H5X plus hydrogen. Then action with hydrides. It reacts with sodium hydride to give you NaBH4. Then it reacts with alkenes and alkynes. It reacts with you can say alkene to give a organoborane. Next we have another reaction. It's reaction with ammonia. It reacts with ammonia at low temperature to give diammoniate of diborane, B2H6 2NH3. Then it reacts with excess of ammonia at high temperature to give you boron nitride. It is a polymer, that is why n number of molecules are there. Then it reacts with ammonia at 200 degrees Celsius to give you borazine plus hydrogen. Now the structure of this compound, first one, compound B2H62HNH3, that is diammoniate of diborane. Here this is ammonia, this is diborane. This line in dashes, it depicts that the bond will break from this side. You can see यहाँ से bond break होगा BH and here ammonia it will combine with it. It will, दो अमोनिया है तो ये अपने lone pair of electrons बोरॉन को देंगी तो dative bonding होगी. ये जो arrow है ये dative bonding को show करता है. Positive charge क्यों है? क्योंकि ammonia is giving its electron to vacant p orbital of boron and yes, this bond has broken BH4, so negative charge over it because electrons have been taken by this BH4. I think it's clear. These arrows they depict the dative bond, coordinate bond है और नया ammonia is having lone pair of electrons, तो ये vacant जो ऑर्बिटल है p ऑर्बिटल जो है इसका बोरॉन का, उसको अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहा है. That is why the positive charge. Then next we have next reaction. Then we have action with boron halides. Then B2H6 plus BBr3. Again here when the reaction is with BBr3, this hydrogen that will be replaced, B2H5Br plus BHBr2 is formed. Then next, then we have methylation of diborane. How we methylate it? If you can take trimethyl boron and tetramethyl lead and you can react them with diborane and we get methylated product of this composition, CH3N B2H6 minus N, and N is 1 to 4 number of molecules. Then action with methanol, then it reacts with methanol to give methoxy products. You can see this is methoxy borane and this is also BHOCH3 whole twice, BH2OCH3. Here all the three hydrogens they are replaced by methoxy group. Here only two hydrogens are replaced, here only one hydrogen is replaced. Then this is important, structure of diborane. You can see it. These are the two borons and B2H6 is the, you know, the B2H6 is the formula. तो structure क्या है? You can see these are the bridged hydrogens. इनको हम bridged hydrogens बोलते हैं. And these four hydrogens 1 2 3 4 they are called as terminal hydrogens. Now angle between this HBH bond with terminal hydrogens. HBH bond with terminal hydrogens, this is 122 degree, and angle with bridged hydrogens HBH is 97 degrees. Then bond length of BH is 1.33 angstroms and this bond length BB is 1.77 angstroms. Now the bond length here between B and H, hydrogen is bridged hydrogen, it is 1.33 angstrom, and the bond length of BH bond when boron is attached to terminal hydrogen, it is 1.19 angstroms. So this is the structure. Next, very important, we have bonding in boranes. What is the kind of bonding in boranes? What is the bonding in boranes? That is very important, very peculiar bonding they have. So the bonding in boranes may be explained on the idea of 3-center 2-electron types of bond. Means we have 3 atoms, what we have 2 electrons. You have to remember, हमारे पास 3 atoms होते हैं पर हमारे पास 2 electron होते हैं. So this kind of bonding is 3-center 2-electron type of bonding. So 3-center 2-electron bonds. Now in this 3 atomic orbitals of same symmetry and similar energy combine linearly by LCAO method, Lakau method, linearly, and we have the LCAO combination of orbitals, linear combination of, we have a linear combination of atomic orbitals. So in this 3 atomic orbitals of same symmetry, yes, the basic condition you must have studied जब भी हम in lower classes कि whenever the combination of atomic orbitals take place, so they should be of same energy, they should have same orientation, and preferably, yes, their orientation, their shape, their energy, it should be same. There's instead of shape, I should say symmetry, it should be same. That is the basic condition for combination of atomic orbitals. So we have used, obviously we are using molecular orbital theory here to study the bonding in boranes. So in these 3 atomic orbitals of same symmetry and similar energy combine linearly and they give rise to 3 molecular orbitals. So there is Lakau method, LCAO method applied here, linear combination of atomic orbitals. Now how this is how we visualize this idea. How do we visualize this idea? Let us assume we have psi B1 be one of the 4 hybrid orbitals of one boron atom which combines linearly with hybrid psi B2 of another boron atom. So first of all we will study bonding for BHB. BHB and BBB is the 3-center 2-electron bond in your boranes. So we will study BHB. तो let us assume, हम ये assume करके चलते हैं कि हमारा जो wave function है, हमारे पास 4 hybrid orbitals हैं, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 जो है इसकी you know is the 2s2, 2p1 they are the outermost electronic configuration. So 2s2, 2p1 अगर है तो 1s से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा, 4 hybrid orbitals हमारे पास बनते हैं. So लेट अस से दैट साई B1 जो है वो एक उसका वेव फंक्शन है, एक हाइब्रिड वन ऑफ एक एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल का ये वेव फंक्शन है and it combines linearly with hybrid psi B2 of another boron atom. So psi B2 is wave function of another boron atom. Then this results in the formation of 2 molecular orbitals. Yes, I told you हम यहाँ पे molecular orbital theory apply कर रहे हैं, linear combination of atomic orbitals. So that you studied in how the this you have studied in your lower classes कि how the linear combination of atomic orbitals it occurs. So we have we have addition and we have subtraction, that you all know. So this is the mathematical representation. Mathematically it will come 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 plus psi B2 and 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 minus psi B2. So let us say this is one of the atomic additive combination. ये जो है 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 plus psi B2 and this is the subtractive. This is an anti-bonding. I should use subtractive combination is always the anti-bonding जो second वाला है 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 psi B2. You can see positive lobes are combining here, positive negative positive lobes are there. So this is this is the anti-bonding combination. So next we have Now the additive combination that you have seen in the previous slide, the additive combination 1, it brings positive lobe of psi B1 to near the positive lobe of psi B2. I'll show you again. This is the additive combination. So positive lobe of psi B1, that will come near the positive lobe of psi B2. Let us say this is psi B1. This is atomic orbital with wave function psi B1, and this is atomic orbital with wave function psi B2. So psi B2, making a positive overlap possible between psi B1 and psi B2, that you have seen. Now this will lead to decrease in energy of the molecular orbital formed by this combination. There is a positive, there is a overlap, there is stability, so there will be decrease in, there is bonding. Yes, bonding, it will lead to decrease in energy of the molecular orbital formed by this combination. The subtractive combination brings positive lobe of psi B1 near the negative lobe of psi B2, making only negative overlap possible between psi B1 and psi B2. You can see it here. This is the negative lobe of psi B1 and this is positive lobe of psi B2. So this is the subtractive combination. This will lead to increase in energy because there is no net overlap here. So there will be increase in energy formed by this combination. So this can be depicted here. ये देखिए, yes, this is increase in energy and this is decrease in energy. Let us now combine linearly the atomic orbital of H atom. Psi H, let us say, we are forming a 3-center 2-electron bond. So we have 3 atoms involved here. 2 भी atoms तो मैंने आपको बता दिए जिनका बोरॉन के psi B1 और psi B2 जिनका वेव फंक्शन है, और तीसरा हमारा जो एटम है BHB बॉन्ड हम बना रहे हैं हाइड्रोजन एटम, और psi H जो है इसका जो है दैट इज द वेव फंक्शन. अज्यूम करके चलते हैं कि psi H इसका वेव फंक्शन है. So let us now combine linearly the atomic orbital H atom of H atom psi H with molecular orbital of boron atom which has same symmetry and same energy as that of psi H. Yes, we are assuming. The molecular orbital, this 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 minus psi B2 cannot combine with psi H either by addition or by subtraction as is shown. You can see, अगर अब ये see, let us see, this is these are the orbitals in case of your subtractive combination. अब ये इसके साथ ये हाइड्रोजन है, ये आपका psi B1 मान लीजिए psi B2. अब इसमें क्या था, जो आपका ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन है, जो आपका सब्ट्रैक्टिव कॉम्बिनेशन जो है, इसमें देखिए पॉजिटिव लोब इसकी आ भी जाएगी, इसकी नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, तो ओवरऑल रिजल्ट हमारा यहाँ नेगेटिव ही रहेगा. फाइन. सो सिमिलर हियर, ये एडिटिव उसका वो है ओवरलैप, नेट ओवरलैप विल बी 0 बिकॉज नेट रिजल्ट विल बी, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, this is positive, this is negative, net it will be negative, net result. Similarly here, subtractive overlap may be the net result will be 0, negative, negative, negative. Negative, negative, positive, so it will be negative, means it will be 0, no overlap will be there. So ये जो वाला जो आपका कॉम्बिनेशन है 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 minus psi B2 जो सब्ट्रैक्टिव कॉम्बिनेशन है, इसके साथ तो आपकी हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन करेगी ही नहीं. इट विल नॉट फॉर्म लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स विल नॉट अकर विद हाइड्रोजन. दैट वी हैव टू सी in this so the molecular orbital 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 minus psi B2 cannot combine with psi H either by addition or by subtraction as shown below, as I've explained. So however, the molecular orbital 1 upon under root 2 psi B1 plus psi B2 would easily combine with psi H both by addition as well as by subtraction. So you can see here yeah, we can see here. This is the case when this is the additive combination. मतलब ये lobes, obviously this is the additive combination, तो same lobes हैं. So you can see positive है, positive है, positive है. Addition कर रहे हैं हम, additive कर रहे हैं. And this is, sorry, I have written here additive combination. It would have been additive combination. Additive combination. This is additive combination. So additive combination, 1 upon under root 2 psi b1 psi b2 with psi h. This is psi h, psi b1, psi b2. So net overlap is non-zero and positive. This leads to lowering of energy. Now you can see this one, subtractive combination of 1 upon under root 2 psi b1 plus psi b2 with psi h. This is psi h, this is psi b1, psi b2, and here you can see that the combination is non-zero. है तो वो negative, 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 negative. Combination तो non-zero, negative है, but at least it exists. It is non-negative. Non-zero. Net overlap is non-zero and negative. Hence, such combination is effective, and it leads to, yes, although it leads to increase of energy, but still it exists. And this combination, it leads to lowering of the energy. So you can see it here. We have two orbitals, psi b1 plus psi b2, right? So this is the additive combination, subtractive combination. Subtractive combination बन गया बोरॉन का, लेकिन ये जो है ये हाइड्रोजन के साथ तो कंबाइन करेगा ही नहीं. This is slightly anti-bonding or non-bonding, and it will not combine with hydrogen, right? And this one, psi b, ये जो आपका पॉजिटिव एडिटिव कॉम्बिनेशन था बोरॉन का, यस, ये यू कैन सी इट विल कंबाइन विद हाइड्रोजन, तो ये इसका वेव फंक्शन होगा 1/2 psi b1 plus psi b2 plus 1/√2 psi h. This is bonding, and with yes, this is what is strongly anti-bonding, this combination. 1/2 psi b1 plus psi b2 minus 1/√2 psi h. Strongly anti-bonding. Though this is negative, energy is increasing here, but still it exists. It is, and this one here hydrogen के साथ तो कहीं combination नहीं है. So this is slightly anti-bonding, or it is non-bonding. Slightly anti-bonding in context of borons and non-bonding in context of hydrogen. मतलब हाइड्रोजन के साथ तो कंबाइन ही नहीं हो रहा. It is not combining. So this is how this your additive जो combination है, it is forming. This is all about your BHP bond. This bonding and anti-bonding जो additive combination है. Then next we have, then you can see this was all about BHP. Thus linear combination psi b1, psi b2 and psi h results in 3 molecular orbitals, one of which is bonding. Yes, you have seen you have seen 3 atomic orbitals बनेंगे, psi b1, psi b2, psi h के, one of which is bonding. Yes, you have seen this is the bonding one. Sorry, I'll show you the bonding one. Yes, this is the bonding one. You can then then bonding, slightly anti-bonding or non-bonding. Yes, this is the slightly anti-bonding or non-bonding. ये देखिए, this is the bonding, strongly bonding one, slightly anti-bonding or non-bonding, and this third one, the strongly anti-bonding. Strongly anti-bonding. 3 combinations are there, 3 forms are there. This is with psi b1 plus psi b2, 2 forms will be formed, bonding and strongly anti-bonding. And with this subtractive combination, 1/√2 psi b1 minus psi b2, slightly anti-bonding or non-bonding orbital, that will be combination or molecular orbital that will be formed. So I'll repeat once again. Thus, linear combination psi b1, psi b2 and psi ih results in 3 molecular orbitals, one of which is bonding, slightly anti-bonding or non-bonding, second one, and strongly anti-bonding. I hope it is clear now which one is which. So the 2 electrons responsible for the formation of 3-center 2-electron bond BHB would obviously occupy the bonding molecular orbital. Yes, very important. I told you BHB में क्या 2 electrons होंगे, 3-center 2-electron bond. Yes, there are 3 atoms, but we just have 2 electrons. Obviously, they will occupy this molecular orbital. This one, bonding molecular orbital, will be occupied by them. That you have to remember. Then next comes a similar 3-center 2-electron bond BBB can be formed by linear combination of 3 hybrid atomic orbitals psi b1, psi b2 and psi b3 of 3 boron atoms of cluster. Now another 3-center or 2-electron bond found in boron is this BBB. So here also 3 orbitals will be formed. 3 types of hybrid orbitals are there: psi b1, psi b2, psi b3, and 3 in a similar, बिल्कुल same pattern पे इसकी bonding भी होगी. Let us say psi b1, पहले psi b1 और psi b2 combine हो जाएंगे, फिर psi b2 के साथ psi b1 और b2 के साथ b3 कंबाइन होगा. तो ऑब्वियसली जब ये दोनों कंबाइन होंगे तो इनमें भी सेम एक बॉन्डिंग बनेगा, एडिटिव बनेगा, एक सब्ट्रैक्टिव कॉम्बिनेशन बनेगा. एडिटिव कॉम्बिनेशन, सब्ट्रैक्टिव कॉम्बिनेशन, राइट. एंड दीज यस एंड अगेन देन ये इसका जो एडिटिव कॉम्बिनेशन है, इट विल फॉर्म, यू कैन सी लाइक दिस, बॉन्डिंग बनेगा इसका, दिस बॉन्डिंग. तो psi b3 के साथ ये कंबाइन कर जाएगा, तो 1/√3 psi b1, psi b2, psi b3, दिस इज वन. एंड अनदर वन, दिस वन, ये जो एंटी बॉन्डिंग है, ये तो एक ऑब्वियसली ये इसका, ये दिस इज द बॉन्डिंग वन, इसका भी एक बॉन्डिंग, दिस इज द बॉन्डिंग, इसका भी एक बॉन्डिंग बनेगा. अब ये जो psi b3 है, ये तो इसके साथ कंबाइन करेगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज इसमें नेगेटिव नेट रिजल्ट विल बी, चाहे एडिटिव कॉम्बिनेशन हो, चाहे जैसे पीछे आपने पढ़ा BHB में, चाहे एडिटिव कॉम्बिनेशन हो चाहे सब्ट्रैक्टिव कॉम्बिनेशन हो, नेट रिजल्ट विल बी 0. सो दिस विल बी अगेन स्लाइटली एंटी बॉन्डिंग, और नॉन बॉन्डिंग. ये सेकंड आ गया, स्लाइटली एंटी बॉन्डिंग और नॉन बॉन्डिंग. एंड द थर्ड वन, दिस विल बी एंटी बॉन्डिंग. हियर द एनर्जी विल इंक्रीज, एंटी बॉन्डिंग, here the energy will increase. And this is the, you can see, this is for bonding. इस तरह ये पॉजिटिव लोब्स कंबाइन करेंगे. और जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे, जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होंगे, वो किस मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल में एग्जिस्ट करेंगे? वो बॉन्डिंग वाले जो मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल है वहां पे एग्जिस्ट करेंगे. उस मॉलिक्यूल, जो बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल है, उसमें वो लाई करेंगे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द bonding. Now I will tell you types of, what are the different types of bonds which are present in these boranes. We will study them in detail, in a lot of detail, but I am just telling you. This you have studied in this bonding. I have taught you 3-center 2-electron triply bridged BBB bond. Both bonding electrons originally belong. Oh yes, boron is there, so both the electrons, they belong to boron atoms. Then 3-center 2-electron bent BHB bond. This is bent bond. This is hydrogen, boron. One bonding electron belongs to hydrogen and another to boron atom. So one of the electron that will belong to hydrogen and one electron to either of the boranes. दोनों में से either of the borons, किसी एक boron के होंगे. Then 2-center 2, this is a normal bond. 2-center 2-electron bond. Yes. So obviously one electron from one boron and another from another boron. And then 2 center 2 electron normal BH bond. Obviously in this also one boron from one electron from one boron and one from another. Bonding electrons belong to boron and H atom. From this is hydrogen and this is the boron. So this is all about your this is a brief introduction to the boranes, where we have gone through the bonding, which is very important. And now you have to just remember what are the different types of bonds which are present in your this borons, these bonds, and we will study their structure in detail in the different types structure of different types of borons in the next lecture. Thank you.